art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Harry Potter. All right, so to start with, we are going to draw his glasses, which are a pretty circular circle. Then I'm gonna draw kind of an oval line. There's his other spectacle. And we're gonna draw a line going across, a line coming back, and then we're gonna draw some hair. So we're gonna do just some zigzaggies, and then it's gonna come down like so. And then the inside part is kind of zigzaggy, like so. All right, then we're gonna draw an ear here, just like the lower part, because it's covered with hair. We're gonna draw a jawbone down, across, and then back up into the cheek, like that. Then we're gonna draw a nose coming down like that. And then we're gonna draw a mouth. So the mouth is gonna be just a line with another line under it like that. Then we're gonna draw the neck coming back here out of the ear. And then we're gonna draw two lines like that. One of them's gonna go down and back up, down and back up. And then we're gonna draw a tie with some stripes, like so. Then we're gonna draw his, what would it be? His cape thing. Okay, just like so. And then that's gonna come back up. And then over here, we're gonna do the same thing. Only it's gonna come back down a little bit further, like that. And we're gonna draw the sweater, the rest of the tie, and that's got some stripes in it. And then this has some like foldy lines in it. Oh, we forgot his eyes. So his eyes are just gonna be kind of like this, with a little circle thing, little light, arch, circle thing, little light showing. Maybe some eyebrow here on this one. There we go. There, oh, that looks better with his eyes on there. Oh, and then we can't forget his little lightning bolt. Okay. Then we have a diamond. We have a little hooky thing like that. And the robe goes down. And then across here, diamond, hooky thing. Robe goes down. And then on this side, it just keeps on going down. And then we have the emblem here, which is a whole another thing. We'll just kind of do a little suggestion. We're not really gonna draw it. We're just gonna suggest that there's an emblem here. There we go. That looks pretty good. Then we have his hand here. So we're gonna start with a line like that and draw it down and back up. There we go. Then we're gonna put his wand here. And then we're gonna draw a finger, a finger, another finger, and then the little pinky finger. There we go. And we've got the sleeve here. He's got his big old fancy robe sleeve. We'll do a double line there. And then it kind of comes up. And then we've got the robe, and then the top of the sleeve comes down. There we go. That looks pretty good. Then over on this side, we have a book, of course, because he's got his book of spells. Just a straight line with the rest of the robe coming here, and here's his waist. And we've got his pants on. And we're gonna come back, do a little detail-y stuff on the book. Make it look all fancy. All right, then he's got his thumb here, so we're just gonna draw a line. It's gonna come back, curve it around, come down, curve it around, curve it around, curve it around, and then back up. And then let's put like a little thumbnail. There we go. And then we have the sleeve, the big sleeve hanging down. Put a double line in that. Come back. And then kind of comes down all wiggly wiggly. Like so. We've got a bunch of wiggly wigglies for the robe, the very fancy robe. All right. And there is Harry Potter. I think this is a bit of an older Harry Potter. His neck's a little thicker, which means maybe he's a little older. And here we'll put the ground here. And then how about if we put some little lines for his magical wand? There we go. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.